this big update. There is not much time left in the Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections. In such a situation, all the political parties are also preparing a strategy for the election. A similar strategy happened between SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav and RLD Chief Jayant Singh Chaudhary on seat sharing. But even after the alliance between the two parties and even after agreeing on seat sharing, the seat sharing screw does not seem to be resolved. It is being told that the RLD, which has shown its stamina in the anti-agricultural law rallies, need more seats in the districts of special influence in Western UP. But the SP also wants to maintain its presence in Western UP. SP says that if there are candidates of both the parties in all the districts, then the votes of can be kept united. He says that when the election symbols of both the parties are shown together, then it is beneficial for both of them. Let us inform that now on December 7, RLD President Jayant Chaudhary is going to rally in Meerut and Meerut, and in which Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav can also participate, which was confirmed by SP leader Atul Pradhan. According to him, both the leaders can be seen sharing the stage together. At the same time, leader Atul Pradhan has also made it clear that there would be a joint rally of the alliance of both the parties, which he also told the biggest rally of history. According to sources, after the rally, talks can be held again on seat sharing between the two parties. So that's it from us in this big update. Thank you for your time.